Hello, my name is Michael Silver, and this is my CTI 140 project presentation number 2. For my second project, I decided to go over the training strategy for Taters Inc. So, Taters Inc. is looking to upgrade to Windows 10 by August 28. This is a significant technology change which requires robust training of the staff on how to use and reap maximum benefits from the new operating system. This training plan will incorporate the priorities of the training, how the training will be conducted, and the expected timeline for each phase of the training. It's important that we train because with the ever-changing of nature of technology, while it's good for business, it can cause employees to get frustrated. Effective training of the employees before the rollout of the OS helps to reduce the frustration that the staff may feel about this change. It also helps employees buy in because proper training makes them feel comfortable with the new OS. If they are more comfortable using the system, then they will not oppose the transition when it does get here. Now, it is possible that you do see issues from improper implementation of training. If the employees are not trained on the benefits of the new system, they may not be committed to understanding it and using it properly. This will lead to the failure of the system's implementation. Improper training can also make it difficult for the company to realize maximum return on the investment from the implementation of the new system if the staff does not fully understand how to use the system and reap maximum benefits from it. The gains the company wishes to achieve will not be met. And now my training strategy. This proposed training strategy is designed to reduce the training friction, resulting in optimal training outcomes. The training strategy proposed will encompass 4 major objectives. First, ensure that the trainers understand the new OS themselves. Second, improve employee buy-in by committing time and resources to the training. Third, have clear deadlines for the rollout. And last, give employees incentives for efficient learning of the new system. First off, training the trainers. For this training strategy to be effective, the trainers need to have expert level knowledge of the new system. Training the trainers will ensure that the employees have knowledgeable support when it comes to adapting to the new system. And now, to select the trainers will be selected based on technology skills, communication and organization skills, their adaptability, their ability to assess employees, research skills, and enthusiasm for learning something new. The selection will be conducted by the IT and HR managers to ensure that personnel with the right skills are selected. 2 staff members will be selected from each of the company's departments. Training the trainers continued. Technological skills. Tech knowledge is imperative for tech trainers. The individual selected will be learning a new tech system, and background tech knowledge will be proven quite useful. Communication skills. The trainers will need to have an exceptional communication skills so that they can communicate effectively with the learners. Their ability to engage with the adult learners will prove critical to the successful adaptation to the new system by the rest of the employees. Enthusiasm for learning. The right candidate for a trainer position is one who is willing and eager to learn. Organizational skills. The trainer needs to be adept at arranging lessons and the course for training sessions. This arrangement needs to be engaging as well as practical for every learner. Research skills. The trainer selected will need to research the best methods of accessing their fellow employees, the best learning materials available, as well as most effective teaching method for this new OS. Adaptability. Teaching adults requires one to be able to adapt to new teaching methods if current ones seem ineffective. Switching up methods and materials will also make the lessons more engaging and impactful. The selection process should take approximately 3 weeks, after which the selected candidates will be informed and the training will commence. Those selected to be trainers will be trained using one-on-one coaching by external experts on the new OS. Other delivery methods will include online resources and video instructor-led training. Training duration. Training for the trainers should take 4 weeks. The training sessions will be conducted every Wednesday and Friday from 3 to 4:30 p.m. Their superiors will adjust their workloads to ensure that they are not overwhelmed. They should be assessed at the end of the training to ensure that they have accurately absorbed the material and can easily and correctly guide other staff members on how to use the new system. Training the staff. Once the trainers are trained, the next step is to have them train the rest of the staff in the departments that they represent. To improve employee buy-in for the new system, it is imperative that the training is prioritized. This is achieved by committing time and resources to the training, thereby ensuring it is as comprehensive as possible, without leaving the employees feeling like it is an added burden to their existing workload. Overview of the training. Training at this stage will encompass a comprehensive explanation as to how the employees will benefit from the new system, as well as how to use the system. Delivery methods. The methods of delivery for the staff training will include group mentoring, in-person trainer-led training, video instructor-led training, and new job aids and procedures. Gamification and interactive demos will also be utilized to promote learning. Training duration schedule. It is proposed that the training be conducted every Friday afternoon from 3 to 5 p.m. until the system is implemented. This part of the training should take approximately 8 weeks. The training will be split into sections, and after each section, the employees will take a short test to determine their grasp of the material that they are learning. The trainers will assess the answers provided and offer more assistance in the areas where the employees are having trouble when it comes to understanding and using the new system. Timeline of the training. From April 19th to May 3rd, selection of trainer team by the HR and IT managers. 2 personnel members will be selected from each department based on the criteria outlined earlier. May 4th to May 7th. The selected trainers will be informed that they have been chosen to train the others on the new system. They will be guided on what is expected of them, the structure of the training they will undergo, and how long this training will take. Compensation and incentives will also be discussed at this juncture. The HR manager will also explain how their training and consecutive trainings of others will affect their current workload. Timeline of the training continued. From May 10th to June 7th, trainers will thoroughly be trained on how to use the new system using the delivery methods already discussed earlier in the strategy. From June 8th to June 11th, department-wide meetings will be held whereby the rest of the employees are officially informed of the impending system change and the training that they will undergo for the next 2 months. All questions that employees have about the training and need for the new system are answered critically during this period. It is important that employees are given plenty of notice of the training, its deadlines, and the rollout methods that will be used. Timeline of the training continued. The staff members will be provided with links to a few online resources pertaining to the new OS. This will help get them a feel of what they are about to engage in for the next few weeks. From June 14th to August 9th, the trainers teach the employees how to use the new system. And finally, August 28th, this will be our rollout date when our new Windows 10 system goes live. Finally, the incentives. It is important to motivate the employees to learn the system effectively. This can be achieved by using incentives. For starters, the trainers will be compensated for teaching their fellow workers how to effectively use the new system. This compensation will be partly monetary, and the rest will be in the form of additional leave days for the current year. They will also receive trainer certificates indicating their effectiveness of teaching others how to use the new system. For the rest of the employees, gift vouchers will be provided at the end of the training, as well as professional certificates articulating their newfound competence in using the operating system. These certificates will be useful in building the employee's competency portfolio, which they can then use for their professional development within and outside of the company. The goal of these incentives is to not only motivate our employees to be trained, but also to recognize the effort that they have put in during the training process. In conclusion, a comprehensive, well-structured, and tailored training strategy is imperative for the successful implementation of a new operating system at the company. The training strategy provided here will ensure that all the employees in the company gradually understand how the system works before it is rolled out. These results will be better and a faster adaptation to the new system with minimal resistance and setbacks.